For the best price, click the link in the description. Are you tired of unstable Wi-Fi connections that drop your calls and slow down your online gaming sessions? Have you struggled to find a reliable portable Wi-Fi hotspot that can keep up with your needs on the go? But here's what surprised me when I tested the TP-Link M7350. It claims to offer a strong, stable connection anywhere, anytime. Sounds like a dream come true, right? However, as I dug deeper into this product, I found some disturbing discrepancies between its promise and performance. According to the manufacturer, the TP-Link M7350 boasts 4G LTE connectivity with download speeds of up to 150 Mbps and a reliable signal that covers over 300 square feet. Sounds impressive, but let's see how it holds up in real-world tests. But there's something I need to warn you about before we proceed. This review isn't just about the TP-Link M7350's specs. It's about its actual performance in various scenarios. You'll want to keep watching because by the end of this review, you might be surprised at what I found out. As a portable Wi-Fi hotspot user myself, I was excited to test the TP-Link M7350 against some of the top contenders on the market. But my enthusiasm quickly turned into frustration as I realized that this product is not what it claims to be. Therefore, if you're considering buying the TP-Link M7350 or have already purchased one, keep reading because this review will expose its shortcomings and provide you with a more informed decision. Here are some of the key features that drew me to the TP-Link M7350. 4G LTE connectivity for fast data speeds. Long battery life of up to 9 hours. Supports multiple users simultaneously. Compact design makes it easy to carry around. However, as I delved deeper into my tests, I discovered some disturbing issues with its performance. One of the main concerns I had was its reliability. I've used portable Wi-Fi hotspots before that promised a strong signal but ended up dropping calls and slowing down online gaming sessions. But what about the TP-Link M7350? Does it live up to its promise? According to my tests, the answer is no. While it does provide a stable connection in some areas, I experienced frequent drops and slowed speeds in others. Therefore, if you're planning on using the TP-Link M7350 for heavy online activities like gaming or video streaming, be prepared for disappointment. However, what about its battery life? Can it really last up to 9 hours as claimed? In my tests, the answer was a resounding no. After only 5 hours of moderate use, I noticed a significant drop in signal strength and speed. But there's more. I also experienced issues with its compatibility. Some devices simply wouldn't connect to the TP-Link M7350, while others had trouble maintaining a stable connection. Therefore, if you're planning on using this product for multiple users or devices, be prepared for some headaches. As someone who relies heavily on portable Wi-Fi hotspots for work and play, I was appalled by the TP-Link M7350's performance. Its failure to deliver on its promises left me feeling disappointed and frustrated. But here's what I want you to know. This review isn't just about bashing a product. It's about providing an honest assessment of its strengths and weaknesses so that you can make an informed decision. Therefore, if you're considering buying the TP-Link M7350, be aware of these issues. Unstable connection in some areas. Slow speeds during heavy online activities. Short battery life compared to claimed specs. Incompatibility with some devices. However, what about its price? Is it worth the money? In my opinion, no. Considering the TP-Link M7350's subpar performance and lack of reliability, I'd say there are better options available. Therefore, if you're in the market for a portable Wi-Fi hotspot that can keep up with your needs on the go, look elsewhere. As someone who values honesty and transparency in product reviews, I want to provide you with some alternatives that may better suit your needs. But what about the TP-Link M7350's customer support? Is it any good? Unfortunately, my experience was underwhelming. Despite reaching out multiple times for assistance, I received unhelpful responses and a general lack of interest from their support team. Therefore, if you're considering buying this product, be aware that you may not have the best experience with their customer support. As I conclude this review, I want to reiterate my main point. The TP-Link M7350 is not what it claims to be. Its performance falls short of expectations in various areas and its price doesn't match its value. However, there's still a silver lining. If you're willing to take on some risks and consider the potential downsides, you can still get a decent portable Wi-Fi hotspot from this manufacturer. Therefore, I'll provide you with an honest assessment of the TP-Link M7350's pros and cons. Pros: compact design. Supports multiple users simultaneously. Cons: unstable connection in some areas. Slow speeds during heavy online activities. Short battery life compared to claimed specs. Incompatibility with some devices. In conclusion, while I was initially excited about the TP-Link M7350's promise of strong, stable connections anywhere, anytime, my tests revealed a product that falls short of expectations. Therefore, if you're looking for a reliable portable Wi-Fi hotspot that can keep up with your needs on the go, look elsewhere.